Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on System and Updates. Following that, select Language and Input, on-screen keyboard, in this case Celia 1, and Theme. Then click on the best option for you, I will go with that one, and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into App Gallery instead and click on the search bar. Now type in Microsoft SwiftKey, and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now click on Enable SwiftKey at the top and tap on this gray sweater. Then tap on OK in the pop-up. Now you need to click on Select SwiftKey and tap on it. Finally, choose Finish App and log in into one of your accounts, or choose Not Now. Then answer this question by clicking on one of the answers over here. I will go with No, and tap on OK in this pop-up. Then close your app and go into Settings. In them, tap on System and Updates again, select Language and Input, and make sure that Microsoft Keyboard is your default one. Then click on it over here. Now finally you can select Themes. Then click on yours, tap on one of those if you wish to apply one of them, or select Customized and click on Start. Now you need to select Add Image over here and tap on Allow in the pop-up. Finally, click on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, click on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of those sources, like Downloads. Then click on the photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Now you can also adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. When you're ready, choose Done at the top right corner. Manage key borders and symbols by tapping on those two switchers. And finally, choose Save at the top right corner one more time. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you need to go back, change it, and then click on this pen icon at the top right corner of it. Now make your changes and tap on Save again. In order to delete your keyboard though, you need to change it again, but this time hold it, tap on Delete in the pop-up, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!